for a beautiful sunrise. There's so much that moves, and just like the old stars, I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? 'Cause I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up when you're needing your space to do some navigating. I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. 'Cause even the stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth, giving you all my love. I'm still looking up. No, I won't give up. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay to make the difference that I can make. Pieces they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got. Yeah, we got a lot at stake. And in the end, it's still my friend. At least we didn't turn for us to what we didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got, what I'm not, and who I am. 'Cause I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, I'm still looking up. 'Cause I won't give up on us. God knows I'm tough enough. We got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. 'Cause I won't give up on us, even if the sky get rough. Giving you all my love. Still looking up. Thank you. Thanks very much. That's it for me. Have a great night here at River House, and maybe see you next Wednesday. There'll be live music no matter what, so even if it's not me playing, there'll be some really good acts playing anyway, so come down, enjoy the music, and the food's really good here. Thanks a lot for sticking around. Enjoy your evening. Goodbye.